Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. So we're going to learn about in this video just about the very basic thing, which is about the notifications. So every software has their own pros and cons, so you need to know what are the best sides of the software you want to use, which is very helpful for you. So we just need to go to Tell Me option, and we're going to check My Notifications, and that will show you the list of all the notifications you have. So you can see all the notifications are there. You can check it or uncheck it. Let's say if you wanna find something like GL account, or GL account is missing, if you wanna see the message comes up. So let's say if you do Control F, here we go. You can see GL account is missing in posting group or setup, so that will notify you. You also have a notification about update account categories, items running low. So you name it, loads and loads and loads are there. So you can check it or you can uncheck it from there like that to show you that you're gonna see the notification or not. So these are the prefixed notification in Business Central. If you wanna choose any of that, you can choose it and you can check it or uncheck it from there. So it's important to basically to enable all of them, because any problem which you have, then Business Central will give you notification, and this is the problem. So that's the basic thing you need to know, that where's the problem and what's the problem, so you can resolve it there and then. So it was only a small video in regards to notifications, so thanks for watching.